Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Yangming Propane Firepit table. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary include: a brown wicker look pairs with lava rocks around ceramic tabletop, enhances the natural appeal whilst beautifully accents the flames. Let's liven up a romantic bonfire party. With rust-resistant steel and sturdy porcelain tile top, the smokeless fire table will add ambience to gatherings and parties year after year. The 30-inch large gas fire pit allow you to put more drinks and snacks on the tabletop. When it is not in use, just cover the burner with lid and easily convert it into a dining table, coffee table, or bar table, perfect for your porch and backyard. The easy open rotary door allows this patio fire pit table to conceal standard 20 pounds propane gas tank, not included. With extra wide tabletop you can easily move portable fire pit for a change of scenery. Shipped in one box, it comes with a fire table, lava rocks, cover lid, propane hose regulator set, all the hardware, necessary tools, and easy to follow instructions for assembly. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.